Despite the ongoing pandemic and more so, the recent violence that had erupted after the passing away of the former General Secretary of the proscribed HNLC outfit on the 13th of August 2021, yet with the rest of the nation, the 75th Independence Day celebrations in the Meghalaya capital of Shillong had taken place without any disruptions, but with a few contingents taking part in the parade. The occasion started with the unfurling of the tricolour by the Chief Minister of the state, Conrad K. Sangma, who also released the Freedom Song as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. During his speech, the Chief Minister paid homage to freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Subhash Chandra Bose. He also paid homage to local freedom fighters like Tirot Singh Siem, Patugan Sangma and Kyang Nangba. Conrad Sangma further went on to inform the public of the various developmental activities that had taken place in the past 3 years, especially in terms of health services, education, road communication, skill development, water supply, hydroelectric power projects, besides agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, livestock and textile sectors.
Number 3, following the CRPL, led by Sub-Inspector Iban Telem Wadlan.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for the striking display of parade and the celebration, the result of untiring efforts put in these past few days.
We want to bring such transformation and comfort to our women and children across the rural areas of the state. We are also implementing large water supply schemes in Shillong, Tura, Nongstoing and Bakmana. Recently, the Greater Sora Water Supply Scheme, constructed with an investment of Rs 24 crores, was inaugurated. Friends, the availability of quality and reliable power supply is crucial for all, including farmers, small businesses and large industries. Unfortunately, the sector has faced persistent challenges on account of the financial liabilities that had accumulated over the last 10 years. These liabilities have been crippling the entire sector. My government had to take the bold step of availing a loan of Rs 1,345 crores under the Government of India's Atmanirbhar scheme to clear all the pending liabilities. Since the beginning of this pandemic, we have followed a collaborative approach in dealing with every challenge by involving the community leaders, localities, religious institutions, and above all, the people of the state. Through this process, we have been able to deal with the various issues and reduce the suffering of our citizens. We are still in the second wave of the pandemic. Though the number of cases today is on the decline compared to the peak in May 2021, our positivity rates continue to be high. We need to be extremely vigilant and follow all the COVID-19 protocols.